Hello dear fans. What are prefixes? Prefixes refer to service morphemes, appear before a root or other prefixes and form words with a new meaning. The name of the term prefix indicates the role of this significant part of the word to be added to the original stem and to perform a meaningful function. Necessary. Dictionary, orthographic dictionary. Instructions. Step 1. Determine the group of prefixes, depending on its service function. Word formation prefixes are necessary for the formation of single root words: drive, drive out, drive, overtake. Shaping prefixes are used to form a different form of the original word: best, best, do, do. Step 2. Keep in mind that most prefixes in Russian are simple, i.e. indivisible, not distinguishing morphemes in their composition, without dash, not dash, per dash, pro, etc. Composite prefixes are formed from two morphemes, for example, under, I lack affection, or depopulated, depopulated. Step 3. Using an explanatory dictionary, determine the origin of the prefix. Among derivational morphemes, there are native Russian and foreign languages. The second group is much smaller. The most common foreign language prefixes are the arch meaning very, arch stupid, inter with the meaning between, international, counter dash, against, counterplay, etc. Step 4. Pay attention to the phonetic processes occurring in words, as a result of which variants of the same prefix are formed: cut off, tear off, dissolve, dissolve, fly up, come up. Step 5. Remember that prefixes are widely used in word formation alone or with other word formation means. In the Russian language, there are such ways of the emergence of new words with the participation of prefixes: prefix, prefix, way, happiness, unhappiness. Prefix, suffix, work, employee. Prefix with the simultaneous addition of foundations, create the word pacify. Step 6. When studying the spelling of prefixes, remember the principles of Russian spelling. In accordance with the phonetic principle, prefixes are written, ending with the letters Z and S, inglorious, soundless. According to the morphological principle, prefixes of constant spelling, S dash, P, over dash, OB dash, etc. If these service morphemes bring a certain meaning into a word, then the choice of a letter directly depends on it. For example, arrive in a city, proximity value, and stay in a city, be located. Thanks for watching.